I'm Samantha Hudson. I'm doing my presentation on Be More Chill. Before I get into it, I would like to show you my beautiful Be More Chill poster. This is advertising the play. Later on in our presentation, I'll show you a picture of what it's supposed to look like. But I'm not an artist, and I really wanted to try and add this little extra thing in there. So what is Be More Chill? Be More Chill is a more modern play. This is actually, unfortunately, the picture I was trying to base this off of didn't really work out that way. But it's about two friends that are kind of losers. Jeremy, the main character, ends up getting a squid in his brain, becomes popular, and then everything ends up going to crap, and his best friend Michael has to save the day with Red Mountain Dew. So the things that I did, I made two different set designs because I wanted to show my favorite scene, Michael in the bathroom, but then that also only was like a small part of the play. So I wanted to do the cafeteria as well because a lot of the play took place in there. We used a lot of hot glue and a lot of paint, and because the hot glue was not really working, but we ended up getting it put together pretty much. In the end, thankfully. Again, this is my little Michael dude. I'm not an artist, but I really did try. It doesn't look like it, but I promise you, I did. Our finished design, I ended up adding these Christmas lights on the top. I'm not gonna lie, there is a decent part of cord hidden behind here because I couldn't cut Christmas lights in half, apparently. This is our little Michael dude. Fell apart a couple times. He's held together with hot glue right there, and that's supposed to be a backpack. Oh, and that's just another picture. Getting on to our questions. Why would Michael come back? Now, according to a blogger, he had a different kind of interpretation. Why do your friends come back in the end? How many friends have you had in high school who somehow backstabbed you and you still became friends with them later? It's quite simple. Actually, according to this blogger, it's loyalty. You're loyal to that friend. You have so much history and so many memories with that friend that it's hard to just let go. Your friend could literally hurt you however many times they wanted to, and they would still come back in the end. So why was it so easy for Jeremy to leave Michael? Well, according to Joe, one of the playwriters, it wasn't actually easy. Jeremy, even though in the play it looked like Jeremy made the decision quite quick, but when they were writing the play, they were trying to make it look as much of a struggle as they can, because it was really hard for Jeremy, but in the end, he did choose popularity over Michael. So what does this show represent? There's a lot of different things online about this. So what's the theme? What's the point of it? What's the main storyline? Well, basically, everything. Everything you face in high school is somehow inside this play. From crushes, popularity, peer pressure, everything. So Joe was actually just a co-writer of this play. The other co-writer was Nez? I believe that was his name. Yes, Nez. They worked together to try and add so many different points in this play that would hopefully help some high school students get through things. From ditching your friends. What do you do when you ditch your friends? You have to realize soon enough that your best friends were better than your popular ones. So it brings that really hard question to answer, especially when you're in high school. What's more important to you? Good friends? Popular friends? It brings up peer pressure. Jeremy goes to a party, gets a little drunk, smokes a little pot, burns down a house. Like, nobody wants to burn down a house in this situation. It brings the attention also to how much screen time we have in the song actually called Rick Set a Fire and He Burned Down the House, which is also at that party. At the end of the song, it talks a lot about, like, oh, I'm sending a text, I'm sending a tweet, we're going to post this on Facebook, step in, repeat. That is a actual quote from the song. I know it because I love it so very much. It shows us how much time we really spend online. And with that, I believe that we are done with my presentation.